Functional Medicine and Aesthetics is a longevity health clinic and full-service medical spa designed to help patients look and feel their best.
That's right, and joining us now is owner and medical director, Dr. Kathy Gaumer. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's
Absolutely.
really exciting to be here with you guys today.
Well, you came on a very fun day, and we're excited to learn
fun.
more. I know, it's been busy in here. Well, go ahead, talk to us. What is Regain, and what makes it different from regular medicine?
Sure. Well, Regain Functional Medicine, as the name implies, is different from general medicine just because we are more preventative. We want to keep people healthy longer rather than wait for an illness or a disease process to start and then treat them. So we want to use everything on our service line to keep them healthy or maybe reverse disease processes and get them healthy again.
Interesting. So what kind of sparked your interest in this field?
Well, I have been a board-certified OBGYN for, shall I say,
over
30 years, so a long, long time. And so I've always had a love of women's health and women's health services. My interest then kind of went into, say, the functional side, just because the hormones and other things that were available at the time were not really satisfactory. Sure. And people would go off of their treatment because they weren't really getting any improvement. So then I started kind of delving into the functional medicine on the female side initially, and then kind of went into men's services as well. So now at Regain, we treat both men and women for hormone replacement.
Oh, there you go. Now, why would someone be interested in hormone or testosterone replacement therapy? Who's needing this?
Well, actually everyone who gets to a certain age, and obviously there's been a lot of press lately about menopause and menopausal changes and some of the new changes that the FDA have just talked about. But there's actually a name for men's middle-age changes, and that's andropause. I don't know if you knew that or not,
I know,
but there's actually a
name.
I've
heard menopause, but I didn't know there was one for men.
Andropause.
There you go.
And so usually what we see is people in their mid-40s, you know, you start to get that decline. You get fatigued by the time midday comes or in mid-afternoon, starting to get brain fog. Of course, for the women, you start to have hot flashes and night sweats and other changes. And then everybody starts to have that midline weight gain, which you go, oh my gosh, I'm eating the same, I'm exercising the same, what is happening?
You're like, what's going on here? I'm
your
not
body's
changing.
Changing. Right. So as your hormones become depleted, your body has those changes occur. So now we can do things about it to keep all of those symptoms away.
Yeah, it's exciting that there are options for people out there. You mentioned the FDA rules and things like that. Is that affecting your business?
It is in a good way. The FDA finally came out and reversed the black box warning on hormone therapy for women. And obviously that used to say, you know, cause cancer, strokes, heart issues. So removing that has really, I think, opened the doorway for a lot of women and men, although just primarily women, to seek hormone replacement therapy where maybe they were scared or confused about it before. So that has really allowed our, I think, our phones to be ringing a little bit more. I'm happy to say that Regain has been in the hormone replacement industry for over 10 years, and we've been in the Kansas City area for 10 years.
Congratulations.
So I feel like, thank you. I feel like we're a little bit ahead of the game a little bit. So we have been there to really listen to patients and hear their story. A lot of times primary physicians maybe aren't well trained in this area, so they become a little bit dismissive, or maybe they don't have time in their schedule to talk about it. So we allot a lot of time for listening to our patients and really understanding their needs.
Well, we only have a little bit of time left, but you also offer aesthetic services. Quickly tell us, what are those offerings?
So we have a full service medical spa as well, and so all of those beauty services, from injectables, fillers, laser treatments, getting that skin back to as good as new after the summer months.
There you go.
And obviously facials and peels, all of the things.
All the good things. Well, tell us how people can get more information, and then you've also got a promo code that people can use as well.
We do. So they can reach us at our website, ifeelmuchbetter.com. That is our website.
I love it. I love it.
As well as they can call us at 913-291-8555.